Hi guys, Chris from Vertigan here. I just wanted to step through a methodology to hopefully help you make some non-emotional design decisions for your designs. In Vertigan, we use the AMPRS design methodology to help guide our designs and retain as much consistency in our delivery as possible. This, also known as AMPRS or SAMPRS methodology, is an acronym for availability, manageability, performance, recoverability, and security. It's one that many organizations use, VMware being one of them. Their advanced VCAP and VCDX certifications suggest that you use this framework whilst writing designs for your customers, as well as the VCDX defense itself. I'd like to delve into each of these factors of designs in a design mini-series, starting with this, the availability component, and finishing with the application of this methodology. When discussing availability as an aspect of design and applying it against a potential design decision, you should be thinking about how the particular differing design decisions may affect the solution's overall availability. In order to metricize this and apply as much science as possible, you should be looking to percentage uptimes and potentially mean time to failure metrics to provide you with these numbers. Let's see how this can be applied to a purposefully oversimplified design decision. For example, whether to have a single top-of-rack switch or two top-of-rack switches providing network connectivity for a vSphere cluster to a customer's core network. When you look at the availability of a single switch solution to be able to provide uptime versus the two switch solution, it's evident which is superior. The two switch solution has a positive impact on the availability of the design versus that of the single switch. And you would mark it so in your design. However, when looking at the whole design methodology holistically, the other solution may score more highly, something we will develop throughout this series. I hope this has been helpful and look forward to providing the next in the series. Thank you very much.